Okay, so I am one owner of a beautiful boxer. The issue I've got, dog hairs, sneaks up when we're not looking. Sofa has been hoovered twice, but as you can see, dog hairs everywhere. Now the problem I have is that she loves sitting on the stairs. Now it is quite hard to show, but I have issues with dog hair. As you can see, she's now following. Dog hairs galore, which has been hoovered up twice today, but I just can't seem to be able to find a hoover that's capable of dog hairs. Thank you for our video.